My favourite part about working in the pool industry is working with families. It's a fantastic thing to go on a journey with a family to install a swimming pool. Everyone's excited, everyone's happy, and it allows families to create memories for a long time.
Well, I've always loved building things. I've loved working with my hands, and I enjoy helping people. So for me, building pools, I've been able to change people's lives for the better and enjoy it along the way. That's what I like about the pool industry.
There's been lots of highlights for me being in this industry and this business. You remember certain families, like we did a job for a family where one of the wife was quite sick and she wanted to put a swimming pool in for her family. As something they could remember her by. I thought that was pretty special. Other highlights, growing and achieving certain milestones with the team, like when we first got to 1,000 swimming pools and when we first got to 2,000 swimming pools, when we moved premises and when we rebranded. They're all big highlights and big milestones. Winning the recent 2023 Best Fiberglass Pool Builder in New South Wales award was a real highlight to get that industry recognition, and to be able to celebrate with the team was a really special moment for me.
The team at Aquify are like an extended family. A lot of the guys have been around for quite a long time, and I've really enjoyed working with the team. I've enjoyed growing as a person and as a builder over the years, and I've enjoyed more so building and working with my team and seeing the guys develop and become better in themselves.